So here we have a Active Band Pro from Nomad, and this fits the Apple Watch Ultra. It does say 45, 44, 42, but it does fit the 49 millimeter. And here I wanted to get a nice leather band, but still be active with it, so in case I do work out with it, that it'll be fine. It's a nice brown leather. It was on sale recently for like 50 bucks, I think. And yeah, this should go to the Apple Watch Ultra in case you've wanted to have a professional look, because the Apple Watch Ultra is pretty bulky, as you see. And it has a nice little nylon wrist strap here. This is the trail loop. The $10 version from Amazon. It looks the same, so if you don't want to drop $100, you can save 90 bucks and get these from Amazon. Not sponsored. Anyway, I will have an affiliate link though below. So let's unbox this bad boy. It also comes with waterproof leather premium exterior, modeled FKM underside with ventilation grooves, custom stainless steel lugs, and buckle. So yeah, it does say it works with these Apple Watch 7 SE, but it was out before the 8 and Ultra, so it will work with it as well. Alright, let's pull it out. Alright, look at that. Nice premium leather. Ooh, it feels nice. Ooh, it feels real nice in the hands. Alright, so here's how it looks. Nice premium brown leather. Looks very good and beautiful. Looks very comfortable. Nice little Nomad branding right there on the stainless steel buckle. And just gotta cut these parts off. And we'll put it on the Watch Ultra and see how it looks. Alright, so here it is out of the thing. And here it is up close. Nice brown. And here's the active part. This feels nice and rubbery, so it should be pretty good for sweat. Nice color. Beautiful. Alright, let's see how it looks on this Apple Watch Ultra. So here are the two straps. Installation process. I do wear my watch like that, so I'm going to... And clearly this will be the underside, is the black part, so you can't really mistake in what needs to go at the bottom of the watch. Struggle bus. Alright, finally got it on. Don't know why that was a struggle. Alright. After much struggling, this is how it looks on the Watch Ultra. So here's the active part at the bottom, and here's the leather part. So we have a nice brown on titanium with the orange button accent. I'd say it looks pretty good. Let me slap it on the wrist. This is what it looks like on the wrist. A little tight, but looking good. Like and subscribe.